What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of awesome watch faces to check out by my man G Phoenix. This guy is definitely doing his thing. He's on top of creating unique watch faces, and this one here is no exception. Got to give him 2 thumbs up in the door for these 2 watch faces we're about to review. Now, the name of this watch face is called G Phoenix Elite Visionary. Nice looking watch face, very unique in design, and always on mode. You're going to get a simple analog watch face look, but when the watch face is on, this is what you want to check out. Very nice. I like the design. You got an animation going on in the center, which looks really good, and you have something here, you have something here, and I like the design there. They're all animated and it looks nice. You got a nice second hand going around the bezel of the watch. Name of the watch face at the top, which isn't bad at all. You can make a phone call, you can go into your text messages, single tap, and you're in. You also get your settings, and there go your date right there. This watch face is super tight, people. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. I want to know what you thought of this one. Now, we're going to double tap, and then we can change the design theme. So depending on what mood you're in, what you're doing for that day, how you dress, if you want to color coordinate, you can with this watch face. It should cover all bases. I'm telling you, this watch face is nice. Now, it's a single tap, not a double tap. But it's beautiful, people. What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. I think the developer definitely put his foot in both watch faces. Now, the name of the watch face is called G Phoenix Elite Mechanic. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get pretty much an analog look. And when the watch face is on, again, it's an analog watch face, well put together, not bad. You got Roman numerals for your numbers, and you also get shortcuts. So you can go into your settings, you can go into your step information if you need to go into your steps. Get your step status info. Also, you get your date here. You get where you can make a phone call, battery info you could tap into, name of the watch face at the top, and also you could tap in the center and you could set an alarm. So I thought he offered quite a bit with this. No, you cannot customize the color or anything like that, but I do like the color he's laid out right there. Not a bad look, but if you look at the background, you got animation going on that really looks nice. This video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see this up close and personal. This watch face is nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I know it's hump day, just trying to help you get over it. And with that being said, listen, hit the like button on the way out. I would love to know what you thought of these 2 watch faces, so make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, people, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.